Selecting a template or changing your template. When you're on the Express one-page dashboard home screen, you can either click the blue button that says Change Template, or to the left, do the drop down and click Template. This will bring you to the template page. You do have a selection for single user templates or even dual user templates if there's two of you. Let's go back to the single users here. You have a wide variety of options to choose from. Now, all of these templates have all their sections opened up so you can see all the options expanded in its entirety. Now, if you are wanting just to take a closer look at a template, all you'd have to do is hit the expand button and it blows it up so you can see it in more detail. Once you're done with that, you would hit the X at the bottom right. If you see a template you would like to select, you would simply hit the select button and it will outline it here. Now, one thing to note is all the images that you see, some are in the banner area, some may be in the about section, and some might even be in the contact section. These images will stay in the sections that they are for. So if you want to put your logo or a headshot of yourself, these are the areas in which they will be uploaded to. Once you have a selection of your template that you're changing, or a brand new template if you're new to the experience, you would hit Save and Continue, which will take you to step 2, which is styling, so you can change colors and fonts. Or if you're just doing a quick edit, you can just hit the green Save button. It doesn't make it live or anything, just quick little save edit. And then lastly, if you're changing your current website, if you save and preview, if you've already put your information and content on your website and you go back to template just to see what another template would look like, save and preview is a really great way to see if this is the template that you want to move forward with. And that is how you would navigate and change your template.